Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to add shipping address to your Alibaba app. This is very easy. Let's jump right in. First of all, you have to open your Alibaba app, and after that, you have to tap on right bottom my Alibaba icon. When you click on this, here you have to scroll down, and here you will see an option shipping address. Now here you have to tap on this shipping address icon. When you click on this, now click on this add address at the bottom. After clicking on this, here you have to select your country. In the country or region section, after that you have to type your name. After that, now in the phone number section you have to type your phone number. After that you have to type your address and state or province. You have to now here you have to type city, and after that you have to type here postal code, and after adding your all address you have to tap on this save icon. In this way you can add shipping address in your Alibaba app. After that you have to tap on save. In this way you can save and add shipping address in your Alibaba app. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video.